today I'm gonna do unboxing. I just came back from VG and it's time for me to renew my contract. And then, so look what I've got. Ta-da! It's not that new phone, it's V19. So this is like true unboxing, okay? First time I'm seeing this. So V19 Vivo, which is like released in May, if I'm not mistaken, a few months back. Okay, see? And let me see. So this one I got with by continuing my contract with the 19 ringgit. Wait, is it 19? Yeah, 19 ringgit plan and plus the 48 ringgit for the phone. Is it 48? 58. 90 plus 58 for my line. So 19 ringgit plan, postpaid plan, and 58. So let's open, do unboxing. So under box. Okay, this is the box. Quite a big box. So actually I wanted X50, but I don't want to queue again. Took me forever to queue to get this phone. So X50 is coming out to VG next week. Okay. So, but like I said, typical me, I tak sabar lah. So this is the phone. Okay. So see this box. So inside this box, there's a warranty card just now. So seriously guys, this is the first time I open this. Okay, and screen protector and cable. And check out the typical lah Vivo V19. So previously I use Samsung, is changed to Vivo, and this is the 30 watt charger. Super fast. And tada! The phone. So I get silver color. See? Check out the camera. See? So it's not the latest model. Like I said, X50 Vivo is the latest model, but I cannot wait. It's already out at Sebekas for those who in Kuching area. For DG is coming out next week, but I don't want to review again. So the reason I choose this phone is, you know, after I lost weight, I kaki selfie, right? So there's two cameras here, and there's a super wide angle for those in front. And look at a bunch of all these cameras. So not so much on the processor or what, but I think it's quite a decent phone. So it's really nice. It's very slim versus my old phone, and it's a end-to-end screen. And okay lah. So yes, that's unboxing. Thank you so much, you guys. Enjoy. If anything, just comment down below. Bye.